Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. So here is the task. What does this warning sign indicate? Number 1. The road merges into one lane ahead. Number 2. Traffic travels in both directions ahead. Number 3. Only left turns are allowed. Number 4. One-way street begins. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The two-way traffic sign warns drivers that the road ahead will no longer be one way, and vehicles will be coming from the opposite direction. Drivers should stay to the right, remain alert, and be cautious when passing or turning. So, the correct answer is number 2. Congratulations if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.